Musimba ikaze mu isomo ry'uyu munsi, and this is the base lesson for those who are intermediate and advanced runners, and I hope this is going to support you to know how to use these words, which are these, there, these, and those. Because most of runners and other students, they know English, they can speak, but they confuse these words. But if you master these words correctly, you will just sound like native speakers. Will speak like native speakers do. So by the end of this lesson, I promise you that you will know exactly when and how to use each one of them confidently. I'm telling you the truth. So let's get started, and I tell you actually how do we use these words so that you'll be able to use them in your daily life. So ku bantu muri kumva utari kumva neza tuvuga ko aya magambo these, that, and these, and those ni amagambo meza akunze gukoreshwa mu rurimi rw'icyongereza, but most people, abantu benshi cyangwa se abanyarwanda benshi bakunda kuyaconfusinga cyangwa kutayandukanya kugira ngo babashe ko bayakoresha, ariko nyuma y'iri somo uraza ko uzi uburyo bwo kuyakoresha neza cyane kandi mu buryo bwiza cyane. So what do these words mean? What do these words mean? Aya magambo asobanuye iki? These four words show two important ideas. These two words, they show two important ideas, and among of those two ideas, there is a number which shows if it's a singular or plural. Like when you say one word of these, you know that those things that I'm telling you, they are many or they are few. Iyo mubwiye ririya jambo tumenya ko ibyo mubwiye ari byinshi cyangwa se ari bike. When I use one of these words, that's the first thing that this word shows. Ikintu cya mbere ari amagambo yerekana nuko ibintu ari byinshi cyangwa ari bike. Another second thing, it's a distance. When I say one of these words, you know that something that I'm talking about, it's near to me, or that thing is far from me. Iyo ndi kuvuga none ari amagambo ushobora kumenya ko ikintu ndi kuvuga cyangwa ibintu ndi kuvuga binyegereye cyangwa se biri kure. That's another law of these words that I'm talking about. Then among of these words that we have these which is symbolize one thing. Ninkoresha iri jambo this, uzamenya ko ikintu ndi kuvuga ni ikintu kimwe, and that thing has to be near. Icyo kintu ndi kuvuga kigomba kuba kiri iruhande rwanjye. For example, I can say this book is interesting. This book is interesting. When I mean that word, when I say the sentence like that, nimvuga ngo this book is interesting, igitabo kirashimishije, uzahita umenya ko igitabo ndi kuvuga ni kimwe kandi kiranyegereye, isn't it? Nizere ko byumvise neza. Again, for example, I can say that one, that, that is already, that is akoreshwa mu gihe turi kuvuga ikintu kimwe, and again it has to be far. Noneho bizaba biri kure bitandukanye na this, kuko this ni ikintu kimwe ariko kikwegereye, but that is one thing but which is far. Ni ikintu kimwe ariko kiri kure, isn't it? So that book is on the table. Kiriya gitabo kiri ku meza. That book is on the table. Kiriya gitabo kiri ku meza. So reka noneho dukomeze turebe. These, there's, dufitano there's, you see this? There's ibiri mu bwinshi. These books, these apples, hari these na these. So ihangaha these igaragaza ubwinshi, plural, hari these na these. These ni ubwinshi bwa these. Noneho iyi these ibigaragaza ikintu kikwegereye, something that is near. And here as an example, I can say these apples are fresh. These apples are fresh. I mean, ziriya pome ziracyari nshyashya. These palms are fresh. These apples are fresh. Sorry. So here also I have another word which is those. Those is another word that describes many things. Those nani ni ijambo risobanura ibintu byinshi. Those. Those iba ari ibintu byinshi ariko biri ahantu kure. It's like the plural of that. Those ni plural ya that. You ukoresheje that, it means one thing but which is far, but when you use those, it means many things, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 things that are far from you, isn't it? So here we say those apples are old. Those apples are old. Bishatse kuvuga ngo ziriya pome zirashaje. Those apples are old. That's the way that we use these words. And here there is a quick tip. You have to know that these and these are things which are near you. These and these bikoreshwa turi kuvuga ibintu bikwegereye. Then you have to put in mind that that and those, they are used when you're talking about things that are far from you. No, that and those zigakoreshwa mu gihe turi kuvuga ibintu biri kure yawe, isn't it? I think you understand these things really well. So dukomeze noneho mu kinyarwanda twavuga ko these na these bivuga ibintu biri hafi, while that na those bivuga ibintu biri kure, ibyo biri kure. That means this na these bivuga ibintu bikwegera, ariko this kavuga ikintu kimwe, these kavuga ibintu byinshi. That kavuga ibintu biri kure, but that kavuga ikintu kimwe, those kavuga ibintu byinshi. I hope you get it. Noneho twakomeza mu ngero zisanzwe zo mu buzima busanzwe. You can say, for example, you can say igihe ikintu kikwegeresha ukoresha ngo this pen works well, iyi karamu ikora neza. This is my phone, iyi ni telefoni yanjye. These shoes are new, these shoes are new, ziriya nkweto ni nshyashya. These people are my classmates, these people are my classmates. Bariya abanyeshuri bariya, these people are my classmates, these people are my classmates. Bariya abantu ni abanyeshuri twigana. So ikintu nakunguraho hano nuko you use this when you are holding or near a thing. Ukoresha these or these iyo ufashe ikintu mu ntoki cyangwa ubifashe cyangwa se ukaba ubyegereye. When you have something, you can say this is my pen, or you can show it, you can point to it when it's near you. Then you say, okay, this is my thing, this is mine. So that's how you can do it. So again, let's see how we can use that and those. These words, they are used when we are talking about things that are far, as I told you, listen to. So I can say that house is beautiful, that house is beautiful, iriya nzu ni nziza. Or I can say, I like that car across the street, nkunze iriya modoka iri iruhande rw'inzira, across the street. Or you can say, those kids are playing football, bariya bana bari gukina umupira. Or you can say, those clothes are too big for me, iyo myenda ni minini kuri jye. Did you get it? Or did you understand it? Okay, good. So no, I'm gonna turebe ikintu ushobora gutegeka. So let's see something that can help you when you're trying to use these words. For example, you can say, use, here is what I want to tell you. Use them for things not near you. Everything that is not far from you, and when you want to talk about that thing, just use that. That girl is beautiful. Those people are intelligent. Those people are wisdom. So that's how you can do this. That's how you can make those sentences using these, that, and those, and also these days, those, and that. That's how you can use them in the sentences. So let me first show you some mistakes, more Rwandans, some of mistakes that Rwandans make. Let me show you those mistakes. Mistake number one is just mix these and these. For example, somebody can say, oh, this book is mine. This is not possible. So you have to remember that if the book is in the plural, you will use this. But if it's in the singular, we use these. We will use these. This book is mine. That's one way which is correct. And here we have the second mistake, which is mixing that and those. For example, somebody may say that shoes are new. It's not correct. The correct way of saying this sentence is saying those shoes are new because there are many. When there are many and they are fur, you have to use those, isn't it? This is what is true. This is what is correct. So mistake number 3 is when somebody is forgetting about the distance. When somebody is saying this tree is far, it's not possible. The tree has to be far when you used that. That tree is far. That tree is far. So let me talk about also this mistake number 4. Using this for time longly. For example, you can use these for time longly because also they are used for time. I will show you how they are used for time. For example, you can say, this day I am busy. It's not correct. When you are talking about days which are many, you can use plural. These days I am busy. These days I'm busy. So this is how we use them in time and distance when we want to use them collectively. These and these can also talk about time near the present. These times that are near to this time. And that and those can talk about the time that are far in the past or that is in the past. That's where we can use them. That and those they are used just to describe time that they had taken place, that had been there in the past. For example, I can say this week is very busy because this is near to this present. That's why I use this week. So these days people use internet a lot. This means these days they are near to today. And also we have that day changed my life. That day changed my life. This means that there is a day that was in the past. And this day, in order to describe it, we use this that. We'll use this word that. That day changed my life. Or for example, if we are talking about years that took place in the past, we can say those years were difficult for me. Those years were difficult for me. That's another way that we can use these words in sentence when we're trying to describe time or distance. So actually, let me also tell you in Kinyarwanda, these Sundays they are used when we are trying to describe clearly hafi. These and days they are used when we are describing like time which is near. But when we use that and those, they are used when we are talking about the time that went before. Iyo turi gukoresha that na those bikora ku gihe cyashize cyangwa kiri kure cyabaye kera cyane. That's when we use them. So let us do this practice and we see how it works. For example, let's see here. Let's hear. Okay, for example, they are saying here, car outside is mine. Now you are not near that car. It means that the car is outside the house. It means it's far. So to talk about that car, you don't have to say this car outside is mine. Because it's far, you can say that car that is outside. That car outside is mine. Or you can say shoes fit me perfectly. Mostly these shoes that you are showing, maybe they are near to you. That's why you can say these shoes fit me perfectly. These shoes fit me perfectly. It's going to zilangwira cyane. You get? Let's see. Answer. A car outside is mine. That's correct. Then these shoes fit me perfect because most of the time if you have these shoes, they are near to you. And here on the third example, can say I don't like across the road. This means this restaurant is not allowing you somehow far on the road. That's where you can describe because there is a distance. That's why you can say I don't like that restaurant across the road. Ntabwo nkunda restaurant iri iruhande rw'umuhanda. You understand? Okay. Then here we say people are so kind. People are so kind. What do you think are we gonna put here? What do you think? You're gonna put here these. These people are so kind. Or you can say those people are so kind. Also they can work well. I just think you can use can work. These people are so kind. Uvuga ngo aba bantu ni abantu beza cyane. They are good. They are good for someone. So noneho ngaha tukagira that. Look at that mountain. Look at that mountain. It's beautiful. Look at that mountain. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Reba uriya musozi ni mwiza. Do you understand? So we use this one because the mountain is not near to us. It's far. It's far from us, isn't it? That's the reason we use these. We use that because it's not near. So everything that is near to us, we use that. But when something is far from us, we use that. When something is near to us, we use this. When it is one and it is near to us, we use this. When it is near to us, when there are many, we use this. When they are many and they are far from us, we use those. And when they are near to us, and it's one, we say that. We say this. Okay, let's continue. Okay, if you have understood it well, it will be great. Because that and those they are used to determine things that are far. That describe something that is near, but it's one. Those mean something that is far, but there are many. That means something far, but it's one. This means something that is near, but it's one. These means something that is near, but there are some things that are near, but there are many. Okay, let's continue. Example in conversation on how we use these words. We have, what do you think about this dress? Watekereza iki kuri aka gakanzu? That's one question. This dress. It look nice, but I prefer that one over there. Hariko nakunze iri hariya hantu. Iri hariya. Kunze iri. Oh, ano undakamaza lily. Byukuri, oh, these colors are brighter. Ariya mabara arasa neza cyane. Ariya mabara arasa neza cyane. Yes, but those designs are more elegant. Ariko na kuriya kuntu ka designs nabyo biragaragara neza cyane. Nabyo birarenze. So that's the way we use them. So these and theirs, they mean near. That and those, they mean far. One is for singular, another one is for plural. I hope you understand it. So for grammar tips and fluency, whenever you are using these ones, please always check a number, one or many. Always check a distance. Is it near or far? Practice aloud by pointing at objects. For example, say that, those, these, theirs. That's how you can practice, and it will be great for you. For example, you can say this pen, that chair, these books, those cards. And here, there's something when talking about something someone important to you, you can use these or these, even if they are far. For example, if you're talking to someone who is really love for you, you can say, "Oh, I love this girl." Even if this girl may be far from you or is not near to you, when you're talking about something that is very important to you, that you really like, you can use this or this. You can say, "Oh, this event was really important to me." If it's an event that happened, or if it's something that is very useful for you, you can say, "Oh, this car, I like it." Even if it's a car that you're telling somebody in a story, you're telling to somebody in a story, you can use this or this. It works there also. You'll find some people using those or using these words when they're talking about something that is far, that is not near to them, but they're using these or this. It's because they are having emotions about the things they're talking about. It's the reason that they use these were these and theirs. I hope you understand it really well. So, for example, I can say this friend I told you about is amazing. This friend I told you about is amazing. You understand? Yeah, they use this one even if this friend that they're talking about is not near to them, right? But they are using this because this friend is really important to this person who is talking. Great. So let me give you some early table here that can remind you what is that we talked about. This means one thing near. This means one thing but which is near. For example, this book. That means one thing but it's far. You can say that book. This means many things which are near. You can say there's books. We can say those, which means things that are many but which are far. For example, I can say those cars. I hope you understand this. So let us practice what we started. So I want you to look around your home or classroom, wherever you are, around your home or classroom or at your workplace, then try to point to things and build these sentences, 4 sentences at least. For example, you can point to things that you see and say, this chair is comfortable. You can say, that TV is old. Or you can say, these books are mine. Or you can say, those cars are expensive. Just try to look around you, then try to point to things and start talking about them within a sentence. Just do this practice and I hope it will be fun. Isn't it? It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. Please try it right now and do it. Try it right now. Try it right now and do it. It's going to be great. And again, record yourself and repeat until it feels natural. Repeat them. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. Speak those, and they are going to build your confidence. Speak aloud. Wherever you are, speak, 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 speak. This is going to be great for you. So, final thought that I can give you right now is that fluent English is not about knowing a big words. It's not knowing about big words. It's about using small words correctly every time. Whenever you are using those small words, please know that they are really improving your confidence and they're going to help you even speak bigger words, right? Please, every time, even if you're just practicing these sentences that I'm telling you right now, just to practice, just do it. Do it. Do it. Because this is going to support you. This is going to help you. This is going to improve your confidence. This is going to improve the way you sound natural, isn't it? This is going to help you improve your proficiency when it comes to English or your fluency. Please keep on practicing. Even if you may speak one word, small sentence, short sentence, keep doing that. Keep doing that. Keep practicing until this and those feel is unnatural, isn't it? Keep doing that. Once you master them, your confidence in speaking will grow fast. Will grow fast. I hope you liked this lesson. If you did, please like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't miss another videos that I'm going to be dropping on this YouTube channel because I'm about to drop another more lessons. And if you're not in a WhatsApp group where we study every day, we give out there lessons every day, 2 lessons, and also get some time just to practice this English that we study every day here. please make sure you join my WhatsApp group. Text me on plus 250 798010198. That's why you can text me and I can put in a group. Let me repeat this number. Let me repeat this number. It's a plus 250 798010198. Hope you can text me there, then I can help you improve your English and also be able to speak with a confidence and also help you with your communication skills. This lesson, I hope it was really amazing. I can't wait to see you again in the next lesson. I love you so much, my lovely students. Bye bye. Bye bye.